Why don't you already have a lead machine generating $1, $5, or $10 million a year? Most people blame the 60,000 competitors, clients being burnt by past agencies, or the rise of AI, but those are external excuses. The truth is, if you don't have a high-performing funnel, it's because you haven't built the infrastructure to control it. You're likely launching random funnels, running unmonitored ads, and wondering why they don't work. Today, we're moving away from lifestyle businesses that can't scale and moving toward a system that predictably and profitably brings in clients. In the next part, we're diving into the first pillar of this machine: creative diversity. Stick around. The first pillar of a $10 million machine is creative diversity. Most agencies fail because they only use one ad format. In modern algorithms, if you only run one type of ad, they eventually compete against each other rather than the market. You need 5 specific types to scale. 1. Human and relatable. Use AI ambassadors to tell customer stories or share your founder origin story. 2. Authority and proof. This includes testimonial montages and B-roll voiceovers showing real data. 3. Educational and mechanism. Explain your unique mechanism, the science behind why you get results. 4. Pattern interrupts to stop the scroll. And 5. Direct to offer simplicity, the get X without Y approach. In the final part, we'll look at the infrastructure and data strategy that turns these ads into a profit machine. See you there. Crucially, do not optimize for cheap cost per lead. Optimize for CCA, the cost to acquire a customer. A cheap lead that doesn't close is a waste of money. True scaling requires infrastructure that captures, qualifies, and follows up automatically. This is the difference between a high-stress lifestyle business and a predictable $10 million enterprise. Stop making excuses and start building your machine today. Click the link below to see our blueprint for scaling your agency to the next level. See you on the inside.